Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your tax knowledge with TurboTax, full guide step by step clearly. First, visit the TurboTax website. Explore the home page to familiarize yourself with the features. Create an account if you don't have one already. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Learning Center. The Learning Center offers a range of resources, including articles and videos. Select specific topics that interest you, such as deductions or filing status. Engage with the interactive tutorials available on the site. Each tutorial is designed to enhance your understanding of complex tax concepts. Consider using the TurboTax blog for additional insights and updates on tax laws. Follow the blog regularly for timely tax advice and tips. If you have a specific question, use the TurboTax community forum to ask fellow users. Participate in discussions to deepen your knowledge and share experiences. Take a look at the product comparison page to find the right TurboTax version for your needs. Download the TurboTax mobile app for convenient access on the go. Utilize the app to check your progress and review information whenever necessary. When you feel ready, explore the various tax calculators provided by TurboTax. These tools can help you estimate your taxes based on your individual situation. Utilize the interactive tax tools to simulate different tax scenarios. Consider watching webinars hosted by TurboTax experts for in-depth learning. Register for upcoming webinars through the TurboTax website. Before tax season, download the latest tax updates from TurboTax. This ensures you are informed about any changes that may affect your filing. Finally, apply what you've learned when you prepare your taxes using TurboTax. Remember, the more you engage with the resources available, the more confident you will become. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.